Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to do conditional formatting in Power BI DAX. Okay, I have two columns here. One is start date and another is end date. So I want the conditional formatting such that if start date is greater than end date, then it's blue color, and if start date is less than end date, then it will be green color. Okay. So here month is in the middle and day in the first. Okay. So here all blues are greater than start date. All greens are less than start date. Okay, guys. So let's see how to do it in Power BI DAX. Open this. I loaded the tables. Okay. Then we'll write a measure here. Measure if start date. So we have to give aggregation, right? So max start date is greater than max end date. Okay, then it is 1 and we won't give any false condition. That means it is blank. Okay, true condition is 1. Okay, if start date is greater than end date, it will return 1, otherwise blank. Okay, guys, so this is our measure. Click on this and go to end date, go to formatting page. Okay, click on this end date. Okay, and go to end date here. It is start date, so select the end date here and click on background color, and format style is rules and values only, and field we'll use is measure. Okay, then we have measure value equal to 1, right? So put it as a number, then here value equal to 1, then it is blue. That means start date is greater than end date. Okay, this is blue, and add one more rule where value is blank, then color is green color. Okay, so here we'll select green. Okay, so this is our conditional formatting. If you see the colors, all blue colors are the value greater than start date. Okay, right? Start date is greater than end date. If you see here 9th January, it is 6th January, and here 12th January is greater than 11th January. 20th January is greater than 14th January. So all blues are start date is greater than end date, and all greens are start date less than end date. For example, if you see here, January 3rd is less than January 6th. Okay, guys, like this, we'll do the conditional formatting in DAX. If you like this video, subscribe my channel Abhianvi Tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.